It's a while ago since I last touched this one. And as you may remember, it didn't seem to boot up.
Actually, you could just have tried a different monitor, you know?
Yes, and then I did, and actually it seemed to be just that ancient monitor to be the root cause. So, with a different monitor, as you can see here, it was then no big deal to go into the boot menu. I'm about to install OS 10 Snow Leopard, which is release 10.6. This is a bit more recent than the original OS 10 Tiger, release 10.4, which originally came with this machine. But when I got this actual Mac Mini, it ran macOS Yosemite, which is a bit too demanding in my opinion. Snow Leopard is my personal favorite of this period, and it still makes a good companion for this machine. Few days ago I already worked on that other Intel aluminum iMac, where I observed the remaining time indicator to flip forth and back occasionally. I wonder if that happens here as well. Ha! You see this, how we went from 29 minutes down to 27 and then back to 28 minutes. Gotcha! After a while I'm welcomed by yet another freshly installed OS 10. That was easy, wasn't it? No extensive repair needed for once, it just took a different monitor and that was it. A freshly installed macOS 10 and this Mac Mini can now move back into my museum. I'm the Vintage Collector and this was my short Advent time story for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. If you check out this channel's community tab, you'll find some polls on potential upcoming videos. You're very welcome to upvote on upcoming topics or drop in new ones you'd like me to chase down.